Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making creme caramel. I'm putting my saucepan on a low heat and I'm going to add granulated sugar and 4 tablespoons of water. And without mixing, I'm going to leave it until the sugar dissolves and turns brown. It has now gone a light golden brown colour. I'm going to turn it off and quickly pour it into my ramekins. In my bowl, I'm going to whisk together caster sugar, eggs, and a few drops of vanilla extract. On a medium heat, I'm going to add in 750 millilitres of milk and warm it just enough that you can put your hand in it. My milk is warm enough to touch. I am now going to pour it into my egg and sugar mixture. In my cup I have melted a little bit of butter. I'm now going to brush it round my ramekin above the caramel. I'm now going to fill my tray up with water halfway up the ramekins. I'm now going to bake them in the centre of the oven for 45 to 60 minutes. My creme caramel has cooled. I'm now going to place them in the fridge either overnight or for 12 hours. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.